Hey everyone, what's up? It's Rich Green, and today I want to talk to you about something that's been a game changer for me, and honestly, could be for you too. What is that? It's the GIAC Applied Knowledge Exams. If you're in cybersecurity and you're looking for a challenge or just want to know whether you really know your stuff, well, buckle up and let's break it down for you. So first off, what are the Applied Knowledge Exams? These aren't your typical multiple choice click and guess tests. GIAC Applied Knowledge Exam certifications are next level. They're 100% cyber live, which means you're dropped into a virtual machine environment and expected to actually do the work. No fluff, just you, your keyboard, and real world challenges. You're looking at multi-step tasks where you've got to synthesize everything you've learned and apply it like you're in the trenches. And the best part about these, they stack, right? You pass one of these and it builds towards the GSP. That's the GIAC Security Professional. Or you go after the Holy Grail, the GSE, the GIAC Security Expert. Now, how do these differ from the regular GIAC practitioner exams? Well, practitioner exams are usually multiple choice, but applied knowledge, again, it's all cyber life, all hands-on. And not, again, just run one command and done. Nope. You have to understand what you're doing, usually at multiple levels. It's not just surface level recall, it's skill meets strategy. So why did I take one? Look, when I first got into cybersecurity and I learned about SANS, I was instantly drawn to the GSE. For me, that's the top of the mountain, right? And maybe it's the Green Beret in me because in the Army, I always pushed myself to be the best I could be. Not better than everyone else, just better than yesterday's me. And the GSE felt like one of those things that if I could earn it, I'd look back and say, yep, I did that. That's the personal side of all of this. Professionally, if I see someone has passed one of these applied knowledge exams, I know with a high degree of certainty that they can work a keyboard and not just talk the talk. They truly understand the content at a practitioner level, and that makes me very happy. These exams are tough. They're designed to test everything, your knowledge, your hands-on skill, and your time management. But if you're looking for a way to prove to yourself and to others, then you got what it takes, then this is it. So whether you're chasing the GSP, the GSE, or just want to level up, hey, take the challenge, embrace the grind, and let us know how it goes.